Hi everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you some very fun nail mail I received from one of my subscribers, Helen. I mentioned in my what two brands are we wearing next video that a couple of subscribers had sent me some packages and I was super excited to come home to them from my vacation. I left my parents my mailbox key because I knew I was expecting some polish and I didn't want it sitting out in the heat and like explode or something. So she actually mailed this out. It got here super fast for coming from another country. I was completely shocked. She messaged me that it had gone out like on a Monday, and then my dad texted me on Friday that I had a package and he sent me the picture of it, and I was like, oh man, that got here super fast. But what was inside, you guys, so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I just want to say thank you so much, Helen. They're amazing polishes. I appreciate you for thinking of me so much. You really did make my day. I literally sat in the car for 17 hours on Saturday on a road trip coming back home from vacation. And the first thing I did was go to my packages and open them. And I was like, okay, woohoo. Like it gave me like a little bit of energy after being completely done with the day. So thank you for that. So the first thing she sent was a box of chocolates. Which I thought was very sweet. Cadbury Roses, scrumptious chocolates. So I was excited for that. Put me a very sweet handwritten note. I love to read your guys' handwritten notes. It was so sweet. Again, just made my day. So thank you again. And let's get into the polishes, you guys. These are some really beautiful polishes. I'm so excited. So the first polish is from L'Oreal, and this is called Cobalt Indecent. I'm gonna say that's how you pronounce that. So she saw my video where I was talking about my collection of these L'Oreal polishes, and she wanted to send me a few more. So you guys, I'm so excited. You have no idea. I am in love with these L'Oreal polishes. I wish they would come to the United States because they are amazing. I wish everybody had a chance to try these polishes. They're so good. The formulas are good. Great colors. So this color, you guys, oh, look at it. It's so pretty. It's the most gorgeous shade of teal. Oh, I'm in love. So I have these swatches on a nail wheel. I haven't done the nail yet. I'm hoping to maybe post some swatch pictures on Instagram or swatch some of the polishes I've collected recently and then do another video. Let me know if that's like too much, like talking about them now and then doing a swatch to talk about formulas. I'm not sure. I'm just trying to get some stuff talked about because I haven't been on and I feel behind. So that's why I'm doing it this way. And I don't want to get even more behind because I'm already behind. So like I told you guys, I love the wide brush on these polishes. I think it's perfect for painting with. It gives me the most beautiful application with hardly any cleanup. These are also rose scented, in case you did not know. Scent lasts maybe for like a day. It's not a super overpowering strong smell, but it is there, and it smells good to me. So let me show you this on the nail wheel. Again, this is an opaque nail wheel, so this is one coat. I think in person you would probably, I think on the actual nail you would probably need 1 to 2 coats because it does apply very thick. Look at this, you guys. Oh, I'm freaking dying right now with this color. I cannot wait to bust this out in the fall. I think it's going to be amazing. I don't love fall, you guys know that, but man, looking forward to wearing stuff like this definitely makes it a tiny bit easier to transition into fall. I think this would be gorgeous with a glitter topper. I think this would be gorgeous matte with a matte top coat. I am dying, super excited to wear this polish. I think this color is beautiful. It reminds me of like a peacock feather. When I was little, my friend's parents actually owned a Chinese restaurant. Her dad was from China and her mom was from here where I'm from, and her parents owned a Chinese restaurant and they had peacocks, and when you would go eat, like the peacocks would be all over, not inside but outside. They had this huge property, beautifully landscaped, to get to the restaurant, and the peacocks would be out there running around and making noise, and they had the most beautiful feathers. And I remember one day she actually brought me a peacock feather and I was like, oh my gosh. I had it for a long time. I don't know what happened to it, but I had that for a long time. And she would also bring us fortune cookies every day to school for lunch. Every day. It was like the treat of the day because we would, all of us girls that were friends with her would like sit at our lunch table and like open our fortune cookie and read our fortune every day. Like it was just the sweetest thing ever. Her dad would do that for us. So anyway, that was a rant, but this reminds me of a peacock, and it like made me think of her and that, and it like put a smile on my face. So beautiful polish. Next up is the most gorgeous shade of pink. This is called Fuchsia Palace. Helen told me this is her favorite pink, and oh my gosh, I can see why. Look at this color, you guys. I'm dying right now. This is the most perfect shade of pink. This also had a gorgeous formula on the nail wheel. It was opaque in one coat. I think in person you might be able to get away with one coat because this was very pigmented and like very, not thick in a bad way, but thick. So I'm gonna say 1 to 2 coats. I don't know, but I cannot wait to try this on the nails. Look at that. That is the most classic, beautiful, classy, but bright, right up my alley pink shade. Oh, you guys, I'm dying. I think this would be perfect for like any time of the year. I could see this in summer. I could see this in fall. I would wear this for Valentine's Day. So beautiful. I'm actually thinking this might be my next pedicure because it looks so beautiful. Oh, so pretty. Then she sent a couple of essence polishes. The first one is called Cosy Rosie. Look at this shade, you guys. I love a good like pinkish mauve like this. Grandma color, I call it. It's so pretty. Oh, I think these types of colors are so flattering on so many skin tones. I love the way these types of colors look on my skin tone. I think it gives the nail just a really beautiful, elegant look. And I think these are the type of colors you can wear like for a lot of occasions where like you don't want your nails to be like so in your face. Weddings, interviews, funerals, things like that. But everyday wear too, because it's so classic and just like I said, so flattering. The formula on this seemed amazing as well. I think this could definitely be a 1 coater. It went on not super thick. Look at that. Oh, I love that. I love that against my skin tone. I'm dying right now. I literally want to put all these polishes on right now. They're so pretty. But like I was saying, the formula goes on kind of thick, not goopy or like a bad thick, but it just really glides on like nice and thick. Oh, I think this could be a 1 coater, you guys. So pretty. Then last up, when I pulled this out of the package, I was like, oh my goodness. I'm not usually drawn to these type of colors, but this looks amazing. It's unique to my collection. This is called Pumpkin Spice. Look at that color, you guys. So fall in a bottle. If this doesn't make you want to drink a pumpkin spice latte, then I don't know. I don't even drink lattes. I just thought I'd say that because everybody's all about pumpkin spice lattes. But if this does not make you want to like put on a sweater and go look at leaves and be in fall, then I don't know. Like I said, fall's not my favorite, but man, these colors are making me want some fall. Look at that on the freaking nail, you guys. Oh my gosh. I love that it's sort of fallish, but also bright at the same time because I love bright nails. I feel like this just really pops off the nail. Oh, I'm in love. Look at all these. Like, oh, so perfect. I just want to say again, Helen, thank you so much. These polishes are like right up my alley, perfect for me. I'm excited to wear them. Once again, just thank you again for thinking of me. I appreciate it so much. And you can see why these made my day after being in the car for so long, because they're amazing. They're beautiful. I cannot wait to try them as full manicures and do swatching. So keep an eye out either on Instagram, or if you want to see them in a video, like maybe where I paint my nails and you can see that, or I just talk about formulas after I've already worn them and you can see swatch pictures, let me know. I don't know if that's overkill because I would totally do that. Like if someone did that, I would watch both, but that's me. So let me know what you guys think about that down below. That is it for this video. If you liked it, please make sure to click the like button down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And thanks you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.